In 2013, multiple Arctic climate indicators relaxed from some of the extremes seen in 2012, but remained within the bounds of the new warmer state seen in the past decade. Summer 2013 was cooler than the previous 6 summers over a broad swath of the Arctic, contributing to increased sea ice extent in the fall. Reduced cloud cover had a cooling effect in midwinter, and above-average cloud cover in late spring had a cooling effect in summer. Nonetheless, the past year was still the 6th warmest observed in the Arctic since the early 20th century. The 2013 minimum ice extent was the 6th lowest in the satellite record, and 78% of the ice at the end of the winter was thin ice that was less than 1 year old. In general, Arctic glaciers continued to lose mass in 2013, but in Greenland, cooler summer temperatures contributed to reduced surface melt and river discharge compared to recent years. Recent trends in the terrestrial cryosphere, or ice on land, continue. Spring snow extent continued to decline, increasing surface absorption of sunlight, ground temperatures, and the length of the growing season. Permafrost temperatures continue to rise, and the active layer, which freezes in winter and thaws in summer, is becoming thicker. Long-term trends show lake ice freezing up later and breaking up earlier in response to warming air temperature. Arctic-wide, tundra greenness and the length of the growing season are continuing to increase, and the number and severity of tundra wildfires on the north slope of Alaska has increased dramatically in the past decade. Large tundra-dwelling mammals convey a mixed message, with muskox numbers stable or increasing, while caribou herds have unusually low populations and reduced winter ranges in recent decades. Trends of warming temperatures, diminished sea ice cover, reductions in thick multi-year sea ice, and increased frequency of melt ponds on the ice over the past decade are influencing sea ice habitats and ice-associated organisms throughout the water column, from algae, bottom-dwelling mollusks, and fish to marine mammals. Overall, 2013 retreated from the record changes in the past 5 years, but long-term trends associated with a warming Arctic continue.